What's up, Masters? Knolly Williams here, your success coach. And in this video, I want to walk you through how to create your Mentorship Masters yard sign. Now, the fact that you're here at the Knolly team, you're in Mentorship Masters, you've got an exclusive yard sign that you get to use, and it looks really good. So let me walk you through how to do this. It's super duper easy. Just like everything I do, I make it real simple for you. And one of the things you'll get, not only a yard sign, but you'll also get, this is what you can actually use as, in your emails. So this is your email signature. You can create that, and you can create your yard sign. So I'm going to walk you through how to do this. We use, or what I recommend is that you use Canva, and the coding that you'll get is going to be through Canva. It will actually give you a share link that you'll be able to use. If you've never used Canva before, it's very easy to use. Canva.com, canva.com. And I'm going to walk you through how to do this real quick. So first I'm going to go to all my designs because I want to show you there's a variety of different signs here. There's Pamela. Pamela's doing hers. And then there's Tanika. So, for example, Tanika uses a sign design that has her cell phone, text phone, and also her office number. Okay, because in some states they do require the office number be on there. So you want to check with your, with your state. Now, the cool thing about this design is, as you'll notice, is that what you've got on here is you've got where it says over 1,000 homes sold. Remember, you're part of Mentorship Masters, part of the Knolly team now, so you get to use some of the branding that we have. And then you could change it. You can make one that says for lease if you prefer to do that. So I just want to show you a couple of different ones that some of our members have created. There's Leisha Martin's. Again, we used hers as an example. There's Suda. Suda has a sign, and there's her email signature as well. There's Lucas. There's Sam Silver. So it's super duper easy to create these. All you're going to do is you're going to change out the photo. I'm going to show you how to do this real quick. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to create a copy of this because I don't want to mess up Sam's. Let me go back to my designs. I'm going to grab, let me go back to Sam Silver's real quick. We could pick on Sam the man. Okay, so I'm going to make a copy of this, and it's going to dump this copy right at the very front. And then I'm going to say this is a sample yard sign. And then let's go on in here. And now let me make myself small. You don't really need to see me. Okay, so all I'm going to do is, now when you first start using Canva, you're going to have to learn your way around here, but it's super duper easy. All you're going to do when you create this yard sign, you're going to replace this image right here, this photo. Then you're going to change your name. I recommend you keep where it says listing specialist and realtor. Keep that language there. And I'm going to go ahead and center this while I'm at it. And center this. Okay. And then you're just going to change your phone number, your email, and your also your URL, your website. I noticed that here. Let's get into it. So I'm going to go to uploads. Remember, you can upload whatever you want, whatever photos you want. I'm going to put in Tanika's photo here. And then you drop that in, and then you drag it into position where you want it. Okay. And then here, I'm just going to come up with a name. Emily Smith. Okay. And then I'm going to put a phone number in here. And then I'm going to put an email address. Emily at emilysaleshomes.com. and Emily sells homes.com. Now you'll notice this design doesn't have, let me go back to the actual design that I like to use is the one that has the over 1,000 homes sold. So you can change it out if you don't want to use that one, but I prefer that one. So let's go mess with that one right now. That's going to be, and if you have any trouble with this, guys, while you're in here playing around, just reach out to my support team. They will definitely help you. Let's work with Leisha's. I'm going to make a copy of hers. So you can see how quick it is and easy. I'm going to make this sample 2 yard sign Knolly team. Okay. And now let's open this. I like this one better because it has more of the elements here that you can play around with. So let's just say this person is Cindy Jones. Okay. So I'm going to put Cindy Jones. And you'll notice in this design, it's a little different than the one Sam has. In this design, I have each of the lines is its own character box or its own, it has its own text box, if you will. So I got Cindy Jones, listing specialist, and then I've got the phone number up here. I actually like this design a bit better than the other one. But remember, you can tweak these out any way that you want, and it's totally up to you, okay? So then we're going to go with cindyjones.com, and that's it. The sign is done, okay? If I want to change out the photo, I just take this one out, and then I'll go to my uploads. If I want to upload an image, I'm just going to click to upload, and then I'll find a good image, okay? And let's go to some of our Mentorship Masters. Let me see, let me find one that has an image. Here's one right here. Alrighty, let's see. Let's use a different one, hold on. I like Nick's photo here. It's a little bit higher resolution. So let's open that. What will happen is when you upload an image, and you can see I've got tons and tons of images. I use Canva a lot, so I've got a lot of images in here. But it'll upload that image, you drop it in. You can crop it if you need to, okay? And then we're gonna drag this out, okay? And also, if you need to, sometimes what will happen is you'll find yourself that you'll actually need to move this to the back, okay, or not. In this case, it looks good, but if I wanted to send this, I could send it backward. Now, if I really don't want it in front of this. I want the blue bar only to be on this side, so I'm actually going to bring it back, bring it forward, okay? And I like that. So, and again, if this was Mark Meadows, then I just change it here. List with Mark. And then whatever I like for you to have your own custom domain name, URL, that actually points to your EXP URL that you're given, your EXP website. I think it just looks more professional. So there it is. It's done. I mean, you literally, once you know how to use the Canva, which is it's drag and drop, super easy. It literally takes minutes to create your sign. There it is. It's done. Now let me show you how to download this, because I think that's going to be very important for you to know as well. So what you're going to do to download it is there's an icon right here that's like an arrow that's got an underline under it. You're going to click on that, and it's going to give you different download options. What you want is the PNG, and that's it. You're going to hit download. It's going to prepare your design, and then you select the folder of your choice to save this design in, okay? And that's it. You saved it, you're done. Okay? It's just that easy. Now, let me show you real quickly, since we've gone through that, let me show you how to do your email signature. It's going to be really the same process, but I'm going to show you how to do that real quick too. Let's see. Let's grab Alicia's. Good example. And if you ever want to make multiple versions, what you're going to want to do first is you're going to want to make a copy of that version, um, and then create it that way. Sometimes when I'm recording, it's a little bit testy. So hold on a second. There we go. So in this case, I can go to my uploads, change out the image, just like we did over there. Drag this out. You see, I might want that sign to be in front. So I can grab on the sign and say, bring forward. Now the sign is up front. And then I can say, Mark Meadows. And markmeadows.com. Okay. And there it is, done. You might want to change the phone number, whatever that number is. And we're done. Okay. So again, creating, and then the same thing here to download that. I'm going to hit this little download deal, and I'm just going to hit download because it's already in the size of what you want to save it at. And so there it is. Okay. It's just that simple. In this case, I didn't really make a copy of it because the system is a bit testy when I'm recording. Sometimes the controls don't work as well, but this is how you create. Now the way I'm going to share this with you, you see this little share button right here where it says share. Once I click on that, it's going to give me some code that I can use. I can say copy link, and now it's going to give me the code that I can use to now create this particular, I'm going to share that code with you, and then you'll be able to create your own sign and your own email letterhead. Remember, if you get stuck, if you're stuck at all, something's just not working, um, let us know. Don't try to figure it out. Don't get stumped. Don't get frustrated. It's super easy to use, but if you haven't ever used it before, you might get stuck. You probably won't, but you might. And one of the things you could do is you could create a Loom video. You go to useloom.com, like I'm doing right now, and you can create a video of you doing what you're doing, and then that way you send it to our support people, and then they can see exactly where you're getting stuck. Okay, like, hey, this is not working or that or whatever, and then they can log into your account and help you get unstuck, or just walk you through what's not working. Of course, Canva also has a great support site as well. So I hope this has been helpful. That's how you create your custom sign and your custom email signature with the Knolly team, baby, and Mentorship Masters all the way, and it's for life. All right, y'all. See you on the next one. Hope this has been helpful. God bless you.